Microworlds lesson 7A. 7A. We've been talking about a variable. We're going to take another look at this. I'm going to change a few things. I've got up here in the corner, I've got square and triangle with a variable. I'm going to do a program that'll do any of the shapes, not just a triangle or square. We'll call it a polygon. 2 polygon. And it's going to have a variable, we'll call it z in this case. 2 polygon z. Make sure you put that colon in front and make sure you hit enter. Well, we got to do this thinking. This is where your algebra skills come into play, because the algebra is necessary for programming and formulas, inputs and outputs. Well, we're going to do this polygon. I'm going to take a right 90 first. You'll see why in a moment. Then I'm going to have a variable that controls how many sides it has. So repeat a variable. Make sure it matches what you declare in the first line, so it's repeat z. The forward, we'll go 100 for this case, forward 100. The turn, oh, here's the interesting part. Let's see, on a square the turn was 90, on a triangle the turn was 120. If I'm going to do a pentagon, it's, let's see, 360 divided by 5, that's 72. So it's going to change. The trouble is it's going to change every time I do one of these polygons. So I'm going to have to come up with a formula that has a variable in it. And what it is the rule of 360 divided by z. The more sides you have, the less it turns. Remember that the turn on the outside is the exterior angle. In geometry, you'd study the interior angle, but this is the exterior angle. And we'll try that. We'll go that with n. Let me show it to you. Right 90, repeat 360, or z, forward 100, right 360 divided by z. This will take care of all of them. Let's say you want a square. Polygon 4. There we go. Polygon 5. Pentagon. Maybe if I turn right 90 and do polygon 6 and 7 and 8. Let's do a CG and let's do a, I don't know, 20-sided one. Oh, too big. Too big. Go back to polygon. We'll switch it a little bit. We'll get rid of the 100 and we'll make it smaller, like 25. It'll make any size polygon, well actually any number of sides, and you won't have to worry about all the formulas. There's a pentagon, there's an octagon, it'll do any of the sides. I don't even actually need a square any program anymore, because polygon will take care of that, and the triangle. The trouble is, it's going to have another variable. We'll talk about a second variable here in a moment. But this takes care of using the polygon program.